How to download with standard quality on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download with standard quality on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find settings in top corner. Click on it and then just click audio, and now all you need to do, here you will find download quality. Now just click on it, and if you want to make it standard, just click on it. It's easy. And as you see here, download quality now is on standard, and you can change it again if you want, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to manage it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.